to go over the Spicy Waszp that we invented for Oakcliff. First of all, you put in a shaker a little bit of honey, some chopped jalapeños, a big squeeze of lemon. Then you muddle it. Somebody stole my muddler, so this works. Muddle that up. Then you add in your bourbon, a glug. I don't know who invented that. Throw in some ice. Shake it up. Put it in, oh my goodness. Strain it into a glass over ice. Might have to add a little more bourbon. Top it up with some Regatta Ginger Beer. Add a splash of bitters, just to give it a little bit of color, and lemon. Throw in some jalapeno if you want. Cheers!